Art, start, go. In this video, we will draw a fish with colored pencils. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe now for more videos on how to draw and create art. We will start by adding an outline of the fish with True Green. We will start the eye of the fish using dark green. Add a highlight to the eye with Spring Green. Add shadow to the pupil with dark brown and dark green. Continue to add value to the eye with dark green. Add value to the outline of the fish and top of the mouth with dark green. Add value to the spines or rays of the fins with dark green. Add color stripes to the fins with dark brown and dark green. Add color to the fins with True Green. Add tips to the spines or rays of the fins with dark green. Add color to the spines or rays of the fins with dark brown. Add scales of the fish with True Green. Add value to the fish with dark green. Add color stripes to the fish body with dark green. Add color to the fins with True Green. Add tips to the spines or rays of the fins with dark brown and dark green. Add highlights to the fins with apple green. Add value to the fins of the fish with dark brown and dark green. Add color to the fins with True Green. Add value to the outline of the fish with dark green. Add highlights to the body of the fish with apple green. Add shadow to the scales of the fish with dark green. Add color to the scales of the fish with True Green. Add color to the body of the fish with True Green. Add color to the body of the fish with light Cerulean blue. Add color to the eye using dark green and True Green. Add highlights to the body of the fish with apple green. Add color to the outline of the fish with dark green. As I make new videos, I want to share them with you, so subscribe now. Also comment, like, and check out some of the other content on our channel.